Well, you know Christmas is over when the wreaths come down from the decorating and they go up in flames. Ooh, dry stuff. Just imagine what a forest fire is like. It's got a whole bunch of dead timber sitting on the ground. The roar must be incredible. Well, that's my kindling to start the fire this morning. I got 2 more wreaths here. I'm going to save them for tomorrow and the next day. Scraps. Whoop. She's going to pull away, but turn off the alarm. I'll probably add a few more sticks to this, get it going. There's some offcuts. Yeah, a couple pieces, 2x4 maybe. You might catch. So today, got to finish sharpening up some sawmill blades for a guy. And a couple of days ago, I had built this air box. And yesterday, I was running it for about 30 minutes, and it went poof. And this is the repairs I was speaking of from yesterday's video where I said I'm off to do some repairs. Haven't got anything fixed yet, but other than diagnosing that the motor had run too hot. It ran, like I said, for 30 minutes, and then I could hear that it stopped, so I figured maybe the belt slipped off or something. And come to find out, the motor was really, really hot. So I'm just going to plug this in. Well, so thermally protected. It's running again. You know, I thought that when this panel was in here and all the air being drawn in from this side, that enough of a draft would keep that motor cold, but I guess not. If I want to continue using that motor, I might have to put a hole here and maybe make a small filter like this. Take one of these and make like 4 and make a small one, or just take a big filter like that. See it? It just died again. And that's cold. So I don't know. I don't know what's going on with that. I'm no electrician, so I don't know. Oh, there it goes. Start it again. All by itself. And to make a mental note to make sure that I unplug this whenever I'm not in the shop, because you never know, it might decide to start on its own while there's nobody here. And it stopped again. Interesting. So maybe somebody with more electrical knowledge than me, and that's probably 99.99% of the population, give me a shout out and figure out what might be going on. I'm just going to zoom into the motor again. I mean, I can smell, it smells like electronics or plastic burning, but I don't know if it's the stove or this motor. I'm just going to do a sniff test. It smells all right. Yeah, I don't know. It's warming up there. There it goes on again. So I'll keep my hand on it. mean, I can feel the cold air being pulled across. As soon as I let my hand go, it stopped working. I don't know. It's up for debate as to what might be going on there. If you know, let me know.